Look. Gay folks. I mean, guy folks.
What the heck? Another one.
No, you need to. Push pause. We're recording. Yeah, okay. What have we got here? What have you got for us, man?
The boss.
The boss. Oh my fucking god. Come back here for a second. Let's have a look at that. Hang on. Come back. Mr. Missiota. What the fuck? That is the boss. Did you see that shit? Fireworks. When it doesn't work, you don't go and light it again. It'll blow up in your face, but like it did to me that time. Oh my god, the fireworks are so expensive this year. It's like $500, $300. Otherwise, you just get a little finish. We're in the dark here. When you're ready, you can just tell when it's Guy Fawkes time, eh? The weather, hey, it goes dry. It's sort of moist a little bit, but it's like it all goes all weird and like fuck. This is Guy Fawkes time. Remember the crackers and that either, eh?
Where's Isaiah?
Where is your lighter, motherfucker?
I got my lighter in my hand.
Light it, man. I'm in the dark.
Where's Isaiah?
Isaiah! What about Moses? What about anybody else? Any coming? Never mind, he missed out. Bang. Where the fuck are you, assholes? You're not coming to see what's going on here? The boss. What? Grab him by the ears and tell him, hey, what the fuck? Oh, we need tampons changing or something's going on. Tampons need changing, Craig. They're wasting my fucking... Oh, no. Hurry up. Oh, my God. Look out. Get out of there. Holy shit. I'm sure that wasn't supposed to land over there. That couldn't land on the top of my fucking head, motherfucker. Did you see that motherfucker land on the side there? What? Hey, hang on. That motherfucker that landed on the side could have landed down the back of my shirt. Did you see that?
Yeah, like the one that fell over on the roof, eh?
Fuck. Bro, that fucking thing was supposed to be in the air and it was on the ground over there going... I was like, hey, fuck. That could have been like down my back, like, on my head. All I was going to say is that was a misguided fucking situation on that one.